Common Ford starter. This is off a 96 F-250 with the 5.8 351 in it. But I know the newer trucks, 4.6, they do it too. It's your starter. Here's your brush assembly out of it. They always corrode right here. The copper wire coming out to the terminal. Your starter won't work, quits working. Most of the time that's right where it's at. As you can see, these brushes are good. But all the time I've done replaced these before in a different one, but got on eBay and for $12. Take off 4 screws, $12. You get a brand new brush kit, brand new wire. This is right here what breaks off. This wire. So for $12 you can fix your starter. That's the part number. $12, free shipping. I went ahead and bought 2 of them just to have a spare for another truck I got. Just pull your brushes out, slap these back in, put the 4 bolts back in, you're done. It's better than going buying a new starter, spending $100 or whatever they are. It'll be like brand new again.